I show you here. It's snow rainy. Nag-ulan og snow diri guys. So I walk now guys, going to my jump. Oh. Slowly because no good if I slide. I don't want to be injury. Di sad ko I cannot bring umbrella because it's so windy also. So it's okay. I walk slowly. Look at me guys, my coat. It's almost covered the snow. I take off my glasses because it's I cannot see. I cannot see. It's the moisture to my glass covered eyes. Okay, do. Buka. Oi. It's so buka. Buka. That the bus that I take. This one is a long bus. It's similar to a tree. So they are scraping the ice. Scraping the ice. So I walk now, guys. I walk across the street. Guys, parang dagat dito guys. So look at me guys, it's almost covered the eyes, my God. Almost covered. This is RC Vlog. RC Vlog. It's snowing with windy, it's very cold. Whew. Oh my hand. Oh, you look my glass I carry. Oh, I cannot see. Oh. You look at the ice. Because it's windy. So you look at the cars, the cars is covered in snow. Hello guys, nagbaklay radyo ko guys. Walay bus. I am walking home. The ice here is it's like I cannot. Hi, hello guys. It's snowing. Snowing, snowing. Snowing again. Snowing. Yes, thank you for watching my video that's snowing. So that's only that I show you guys. That's only. Bye bye. Bye bye you all.